Yabona, under normal circumstances abantu ongamechi nabo vibrationally, spiritually, mentally, labo bantu labo anhlangani, you won't attract each other or be intact. Yabo, you will always repel in one way or other. Ngobani? Vibrationally anhlangani. Yabo, uthola ukuthi yazi ukuthi khona abantu othi mawufika nje bavele bahlakazeke nje uma ungamechi nabo. Angiphathi makuyi high vibrational frequency, uthola ukuthi you don't get along nje. Kumele ukwazi lokho, vele kumthetho kumele uwenzeke. Hayi yonke kumele ikhathaze leyo. Mufika nje uthola ukuthi hayi they are not comfortable ngokuthi ukhona nje. That's the thing. It's not that they hate you, just that you don't match vibrational and you don't need to try to squeeze yourself to fit in. No, be unapologetic about that. But kune point engifuna ukulenza ke la. If that's the case, ukuthi abantu ongamatch nabo vibrationally, you just repel. Oyibuza ukuthi kwenziwa yini wena uattract abantu abawuhlobo ongalifuni. Hayi ukuthi inkingi kubantu, inkingi kuwe ngalesi sikhathi. Ubingelelo changes akasha. Uthi ngenzana noma yini, noma inini noma kanjani. Kunoma ubani ngoba impilo ayisiyona lento ocabanga ukuthi iyona. Possibilities are infinite in the universe. Your own consciousness is your own limitation. Kukude lapho esuka khona futhi kukude lapho esiya khona. Beka phansi umoya ungatatazeli uyabona. Akudingi ukuthi ucabanga ukuthi abantu bakusukela ke. Why wena uattracta lolu hlobo labantu? Kungani? Abakusukeli. It's an inside job lento yempilo. Abakusukeli. Why uattracte uhlobo lwabantu abanje? Yabona ngalo muntu lo onayo nje. Ake ngikhulume ngalento ekuthiwa yini i-romantic relationship nje. Ngangeni ku platonic one. Kwi-romantic relationship abo lo muntu ostuck naye lo ohleli naye mbheke kahle. Wena ke loyo. Yabo loyo uwe ke loyo. Yabo. Ngoba that's what your reality tolerated. That's what your mental capacity and mental vibration on a mental state. I hate reality as within so without. So leo choice yalo muntu loyo uwe ke loyo mbuke kahle ke. Wena ke loyo. Yabo? Ungasho ukuthi uyena, there's nothing wrong with yena. Ngisho kuthiwa uyisidakwa noma ngabe kuthiwa unhloboni, ngisho kuthiwa uyi-buying holic, whatever the case, that's you. That's you. Yabo? Because even now you are still with that person, it means your mental capacity can still tolerate that one. Yabo? So it had nothing to do with lo muntu lo ukuthi is a very bad person. It has to do with you ukuthi why abe attracted kuwe aphinda fika hlale futhi. Uyibuka lapho ke indaba. Uthi angifuni ukuthi uyivuse la engalele khona. Angithi omunye uthi ubuza ukuthi yindaba attract yena uhlobo onje lo yena athi akalifuni. Yabo? Ngikhuluma ukuthi ke masikhuluma nge-romantic relationship noma sikhuluma nge-platonic one, yabo, friendship and so forth. Athi umuntu mina ngikanje pho why ngi-attract abantu abakanje. Yabo? It has nothing to do with those people, but it has all to do with you. Kungani wena uattracte uhlobo olunje lwabantu? Ngoba abantu abangayona lento oyiyona bayaphusheka away. Bayaphusheka away. Kungani ke wena uattracte lolu hlobo nje? Ngoba even ngisho umuntu angathi mekubuka enye into lapha. Yabo njengalabantu nje abango line 5 kanje no line 2 ema charting up baphila kwi projection field labo bantu labo abantu mabe babuka ababuki the true essence of who they are, babuka reflection. It's just a reflection, yabo, a projection field. And message it gets closer usa realize ukuthi engayithola lento abeyibona kude engangayithola futhi. But the fact is, one, uma kuguthi consistently you are attracting the people that you say you don't like. Why? Two, the very same partner or group of people that you say are bad and terrible, they are not your style, why they are still with you? Angithi abo ukuthi lana we are shifting the focus from ukuthi focus ekuthenini ugxeka ama situations ngaphandle wena, kodwa ibheke ngaphakathi lento, yabo, ibheke ngaphakathi lento. It's an inside job. Why would you attract such things? Why would you attract such people? Why? Why would I find myself in a place, in a situation that I don't like? Why? It has all to do with me. Why ngibe lapho ngaleso sikhathi leso? Why? Yabo, ngifuna ukuthi ungabizi izinto ngamabhadi nangamaphutha. Cause and effect is always in place. Angithi abo manje uthi sengikumthetho wesibili. Ngeke ngezwe nje omunye la ethi angokhuluma iconcept eyodwa ngesikhathi esisodwa. Ngiplug and play mina. Angiscript into mangikhuluma, yabo. I deliver it as it comes. Angizwa ngizwa ungangizwa ngizwa futhi sengiqedile. Mawulandela ngombuzo futhi ngizokuphendula. It's that simple. Yabo ukuthi manje sengizwa kwi law yesibili, universal law yesibili ukuthi cause and effect. Yabona angikwazi ukuyithola ngidentelwa imoto. Why ngibe lapho? Why ngibe sendaweni la ngizodentelwa khona imoto? Kune cause eyenza ukuthi ngize ngibe lapho. Yayizwa leyo nto esuka because kimi inkinga kama causes, there are different planes of causes. Yabo, ama planes nje they are different, cause it cause and effect yeah physical. Uyabo mangikhahlela ibhola limove ngoba ngilikhahlela. That one is physical, it's simple. You move to the mental, you move to the spiritual. Yabo ukuthi khona icause ongayiboni kodwa wena bese uthi I wonder why this thing is happening. Endleleni siyaqhuzuka and the energy kumele is rebalance. Siyaqhuzuka so ukhohliwe wena ukuthi wenzani, so ukhohliwe ukuthi uhambe kanjani, but lezi zinto siyabuya in a delayed, it's a delayed reality. So uyayibuza ukuthi wena why, no when. Yazi kuyicause nakhona nje ukuthi ucabange nje into ewumbhedo bese uthola ama repercussions alokho. Nakho kuyicause ngokwakho. Ama causes guys ahlukene ngoma planes. Yazi amanye ama causes they go to the extent of sanchita karma. Ikarma edlule past life any cause. Effect yakhona izodlala this time around. And then are you going to ask ukuthi why? Yabo nje manje there are things when osazenzile ongaza nguzijezela. I-energy ngazi is rebalance. Asikuthathi njengokujeza, sithatha ngokuthi i-rebalancing ye-energy. Khonto esenzekile engabalansile nje at all, engakabalance owazenza. Yabo? And ukuze sibalance, you have to face them. Whether you are going to face them now or in the next lifetime, but you are going to face it. So uyabona ukuthi lento yempilo, it's an inside job. Musu kubuza ama circumstances nama situations angaphandle ukuthi why they are here. Lutho ngisho ngaqhunyelwa ithaya, ngisho nga yenzani, ngisho nga skenywa, ngisho ngenzekani, understand ukuthi yes kumele vele ukuthi kwenzeke. Ngabe se question uyazi ukuthi enye into leyahlekelwa ngoba nakho kumele kurebalance into ethile, bekunento ethile bekumele ukuthi yenzeke, mhlambe kumele kulimala ingane yakho kodwa iyathengeka ngale yonto leyo, but ijulile lento angivele ngibeke la okwamanje. Yayibona lonto.